How to change Google Play account for games. If you want to change Google Play accounts for your games, you can simply go ahead and open up your Google Play app first and make sure that you are logged into your account. And you'll see all of your installed games on your phone. Now, what you need to do next is find the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, you need to make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to change it to and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, you'll find the settings menu. Just tap on it. And once you land on the settings page, you're going to see your data option right here. And then scroll down a bit here. Here you'll be able to see change account for games option. Just tap on it. And you'll be able to see all of the connected games to your current account. Now, if you want to change the default account for your games, you can do that. Now, if you want to change the account for individual games, you could do that as well. Now, use whichever account you have and then tap on it, and now your account will be changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.